Hey everybody, Jeff here from Artistry. G-Technique accredited for Crystal Serum Ultra. Sitting here with my 2 buckets and some brushes, waiting to wash this car. But it's pouring down rain. He drove from about an hour away, and it's dirty. And it's been 2 years since he's done a maintenance detail. And the water is beating off like I coated it yesterday. That makes me happy. I haven't even washed it yet, so it's going to do nothing but get better. So anyway, that's Artistry Auto Detailing. Check out my website, and talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. I'll give you an update on Audi too. Once I may just put a rain suit on and go out there. Have a little fun. Alright, everybody have a good day. See ya. Thanks. Everybody, Jeff from Artistry. I just got done with my 2 bucket wash method on this Audi. So now it's actually clean. The client, I asked him, I said, when's the last time you were here? When did we coat this car? And he says, about 2 years ago. Look at that. 2 years. I haven't coated the car. I haven't seen the car. He hasn't done anything to the car in 2 years. Crystal Serum Ultra, baby. It's the good stuff. Make a special sauce here. We got all the good stuff here. Alright, I gotta dry it and then bring it in here. Put it on underneath all these lights in here, and then we'll see what it looks like. Alright, to be continued. Alright, here's the Audi A8, and it's not bad. 2 years, without a maintenance detail. It's got a few swirls here and there. Artistry. I got this Audi A8 in for a maintenance detail. I'm gonna get the light and get this light up here. It's a pretty cool car. I gotta admit, I like this ride. Here's my LED spotlight, and here's my black paint. 2 years old. Here for a maintenance detail. I gave it a little polish with some essence, and then topped it with a bottle of Reload. Sorry. And this thing looks awesome. I mean, just damn. Black paint with freaking 9,000 lights on it. Cool. Inside the car is really cool looking too. You can tell I'm a golfer. I like putting stripes in my floor mats, but a lot of gadgets in here. He's got a lot of buttons, and it's just a cool car. I tell you what, if you're tall, this is a good car for you because these things recline. I mean, the floor mats in the back were like 3.5 feet long. And you could tell he had some dogs because there was a bunch of dog hair right there. So man's best friend likes to look out this window right here. It's nice and clean for my G Technique perfect glass. But the paint is polished with Essence. I used my Flex 3401, of course. It's got a pretty tough grill to clean, so the little boar's hair brushes come in handy there. The light. This was coated with G Technique Crystal Serum 2 years ago by me. I'm G Technique accredited, also done the Mike Phillips Show Car Detailing School, and also my Phillips Marine 31 class. This is about as good as it gets. I was really impressed. I did a little video washing it, and the thing beaded water like crazy, even after 2 years of not doing anything. So there it is. We're all done. It's Artistry Auto Detailing in Newport Richey, Florida. Once again, this is Jeff. Just a little peek at my shop, some of my stuff. I'm going to start teaching a class pretty soon. I use a lot of G Technique products, obviously. That's all G Technique. This is what I specialize in. I specialize in Crystal Serum Ultra. It's one of my favorite shelves right here. Has a 9-year guarantee through G Technique. And I use a lot of CarPro products. Everything from CarPro is fantastic. I like everything that they have. I like their polish, I like their pearl, the Essence, eraser, the soap reset, fantastic. Reload is what I use to top this with. And we are done. Waiting for pickup. I'll talk to you guys soon. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care. All right, bye.